In this video, we will give step-by-step instructions on how to refill the soap and replace the batteries for the PURELL CXR REDIFOAM dispensing fixture. To refill, insert the key in the top of the spout, then slide the spout door forward. Next, remove the dust cap from the soap refill. Then, insert into the spout opening until the refill clicks into place. A second audible click and an orange light indicate that soap is flowing into the dispenser. If the light does not illuminate, adjust the position of the refill until it comes on. When done refilling, press the refill release button on the back of the spout. Now, push the spout door back into the locked position. The solid light will turn off. Finally, to actuate the dispenser, pass your hand under the spout until you get a full dose of soap. You may not need to prime the pump if you are just topping it off. To replace the batteries, first, remove the cover from the battery box by loosening the 2 captive screws on the cover. Replace the 4 alkaline D-cell batteries in the battery box cover. The batteries must be positioned according to the diagrams shown on the inside of the cover, or the system will not work. Once the batteries are replaced, place the cover on the battery box and tighten the 2 captive screws. And the job is complete. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact us.